Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to change power window for the switch for the window, to switch window up and down. So that this one on your right is for the driver's one, on your left for the passenger's one. So what you need is screwdriver like this, Phillips, and then start like, see, take them off like this, gently, don't force it, you'll break it. Yeah, after then, as you can see here, I managed to take it off. Sorry. So here there's a clip. So I'll try my best because one hand. Okay, you take off like this. See, there's a clip there. You click it and take it off, and then it's out. And then you can replace it with the new one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.